Hello students, today we will learn interest on drawings. As we already know that if date of drawing is not mentioned in the question, then it will be calculated on an average of 6 months. Means drawing into rate upon 100 into 6 by 12. And condition is per annum word must be written with the percentage. Then we take 6 months interest. We had discussed it earlier. Now the case is if date of drawing is mentioned in the question. Then there are so many cases. Case 1. If partner withdrew in the beginning of every month equal amount of drawing. Partner is withdrawing in the beginning of every month. Then interest on drawing would be drawings multiply by 12 because every month for whole year. Multiply 12 into rate upon 100 into 6.5 months. We will take 6.5 months interest. Now how it comes? There is one formula to calculate it the months. Time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing upon 2. Now see example. Our financial year is from 1st April to 31st March. So partner is withdrawing equal amount in the beginning of every month. So first drawing would be on 1st April and last drawing would be on 1st March. In the beginning of every month means first drawing on 1st April and last drawing on 1st March. Now the formula is time left after first drawing. So 1st April first drawing, time left after first drawing. 1st April to 31st March is our financial year. Then time left after first drawing is 12 months. Time left after last drawing. 1st March is our last drawing date and time left after last drawing is 31st March ending. 1st March to 31st March, 1 month. Now we put it in the formula 12 month plus 1 month divided by 2. 13 by 2 is equal to 6.5. How 6.5 will come? By this formula. So you can directly learn this figure or you can calculate it by applying formula. So beginning of every month drawing into 12 into rate upon 100 into 6.5 upon 12. Next, if partner withdraw at the end of every month, then drawing into 12 into rate upon 100 into 5.5 months interest. Next case, if partner withdraw at the middle of every month, then interest is equal to drawing into 12 into rate upon 100 into 6 months. Next, if partner withdraw in the beginning of each quarter. There are 4 quarters in a year. 3 months is equal to 1 quarter and there are total 4 quarters in a year. So we will multiply drawing into 4. We will multiply drawing by 4 into rate upon 100 into in the beginning of each quarter we will take 7.5 months interest. Next, if partner withdraw equal amount at the end of each quarter, then interest is equal to drawing multiply by 4 into rate upon 100 into 4.5 upon 12. Another way to check it, he is withdrawing equal amount at the end of each quarter. First drawing would be on first quarter is 1st April to 30th June, 3 months quarter, and last quarter is 1st Jan to 31st March. At the end of each quarter means first drawing would be on 30th June. First drawing would be on 30th June and time left after first drawing 30th June to 31st March, 9 months. Last drawing would be on at the end of quarter. 31st March is the end of the quarter. Last drawing would be on 31st March and time left after last drawing is equal to 0. Then formula time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing upon 2. 9 plus 0 upon 2 is equal to 4.5 months. So you can directly learn, as I said earlier, you can directly learn this figure or you can apply the formula to calculate this figure. Next, if partner withdraw equal amount in the middle of every quarter, then drawing into 4 into rate upon 100 into 6/12. Next case, if partner withdraw equal amount in the beginning of every month but up to 6 months. He is not withdrawing for full year, he is withdrawing up to 6 months. Then we multiply it by 6. Drawings multiply by 6 into rate upon 100 into 3.5 months. If we withdraw equal amount in the end of every month up to 6 months, then interest is equal to drawing into 6 into rate upon 100 into 2.5 upon 12. And if partner withdraw equal amount in the middle of every month up to 6 months, then drawing into 6 into rate upon 100 into 3/12 months interest. So you can directly learn these figures, or you can calculate it by using formula time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing upon 2. See one example. Suppose A withdrew 2000 per month, means every month, in the end of every month at the rate of 2% per annum. Then interest would be drawing every month, then multiply by 12, percentage 2 upon 100, rate upon 100 into end of every month. We will take 5.5 months interest. So 2000 into 12 into 2 upon 100 into 5.5 upon 12 is equal to 220. So interest on drawing would be 220. Clear?